One of the biggest positives I see is whether or not central banks or sovereign funds or just governments in general adopt cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin, is some type of reserve asset, much like they do precious metals, right? A lot of central banks own precious metals. I can see that happening. It's already happened in El Salvador, which sounds like a silly rinky-dink example, but I think it merits discussing. So, like for instance, in El Salvador, they have a debt situation which is not as bad as the U.S. I think they have let's call it like 25 billion in debt, and their GDP is probably like in the low 30s, right? So their debt to GDP ratio is better. They did start a sovereign fund for Bitcoin. They probably only have maybe 600, 700 million in Bitcoin right now. And that may just be a fraction of the 25 billion debt they have, but it's significant. It's a lot more than US has, right? So I can see more uh, government entities doing this. And if that happens, that augurs for some tremendous upside on cryptocurrencies.